Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you YouTrip, how to apply YouTrip card. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right into the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to apply YouTrip card, the first thing that you need to do is download the YouTrip app. So simply head over to the App Store, then on the search bar type in YouTrip, and then once it loads, all you gotta do is just simply tap on the app and then tap on the get button and follow the on-screen prompts to successfully download the app. Then once you have downloaded the app, simply tap on the open option, and here what you need to do is simply start the sign up process. Select the country and then tap on get started, and here enter your mobile number and verify it using OTP sent to you. Then simply enter and verify your email address. You will get a verification link, and once that's done, simply complete the identity verification. You have two options to complete this important step. Option A is using SingPass MyInfo, which is fastest if available. Simply select sign up with the SingPass MyInfo and log in with the SingPass or SingPass and confirm your personal info autofilled. This is usually the fastest way to apply. And option B is manual verification. If no SingPass, continue without SingPass and take photo of required ID, example NRIC or FIN for Singapore residents, and upload your pics of your ID and proof of address if required, which often needed if you are foreign resident. You may also be asked to record a short self video for identity verification. The next is to enter your details, fill in your full name, address, date of birth and name you want on the card, and confirm all information is correct, and then once submitted, it might be hard to change later. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.